Hey Collision communities, drummers, we want to invite you to a live and exclusive virtual masterclass this Tuesday, 19th of April 2022, hosted by none other than VIP A&R record label veteran, stage and band manager Andy Turner. Andy has 30 plus years in industry experience. These conversations are rare, and if you want to be a part of it and be in the room with a seasoned pro, tickets are available above in this post. Come and join us backstage and get an exclusive VIP access, all areas pass, to this expert session, all of our previous experts that have blessed us with their knowledge and insight. If you want to know and understand what it means to be signed to a band management company, if you want to know what to look out for when selecting the right manager or when securing joint venture partnerships, as well as you might be interested in learning a little bit more about the industry and just genuinely ask Andy a few questions, if you want to be in the room this Tuesday for that conversation happening live and virtually from your tablet, PC or smartphone, click the link in this post or visit us at collisiondrumsticks.com/memberships to sign up. Again, collisiondrumsticks.com/membership. I'll include the link above so you guys don't miss out. Spots are limited because it is a conversation, but we want you to be there, and I and the team look forward to seeing you backstage and welcoming you to our growing and global backstage community. Over 150 artists are already backstage, making their music matter and helping level their music up by expert conversations, weekly workshops and on-demand content supporting the business and building blocks of your drum and music expertise. So if you're looking to grow and develop, if you're looking to make 2022 count, come and join us for this conversation happening Tuesday, and also join us backstage. I look forward to seeing you all there.